Hi, I'm Anna French, and this is Casper, a 2016 Ford Transit camper van that was converted into my tiny home on wheels in 2019 by a team of professional builders at RV Renovators in Mesa, Arizona. And I originally got Casper in 2017 as a low-top cargo van. It had 18,000 miles on it, and it was previously a U-Haul. I bought it from a certified pre-owned truck dealership, so I knew there was nothing wrong with it when I got it, and there's been nothing wrong with it since. Right after I bought it in 2017, my mom and I spent about 2 months building it out as a low-top budget camper build. I spent $3,500. It was a really cute and cozy build, and I hit the road and traveled in it and lived in it for a couple of months, and then I decided I wanted to do this more long-term, and so I started planning for a complete remodel, and so that's what I did. In 2019, I got the high top installed. I got it built out into the tiny home that you see today, and I lived in it full-time for a year after that, and then I've been traveling it part-time ever since then. So I can testify to the quality of this build. Everything's worked incredibly while living in it full-time and part-time. I haven't had any issues. Traveling in Casper has changed my life. From being able to create my own online business, I've witnessed the most beautiful sunrises and sunsets, made new friends, visited old ones, and I've learned so much about myself. And while I know my journey on the road isn't over, it is time for me to say goodbye to Casper. Casper is the perfect adventure mobile. It's small enough to fit into parking spots. It's been durable enough to take me on remote back roads. And it's big enough to be able to work and live comfortably. When I first got Casper, I had no idea where it was going to take me and who I'd become. It's helped me heal from life's battles, and it's even helped me find love. It's seen me become a dog mom and an independent traveler that doesn't need paved roads and self-service to feel safe. And I can honestly say that I'm a better person because of my time with this van. I still can't believe that I started this journey alone and a bit lost, and somehow I found more than I ever could have imagined along the way. I'm so grateful that I've had the opportunity to see and do so much because of this camper. And now I just hope that I can pass that along to someone new. Now for the why I'm selling Casper. Basically, a lot of my life has changed since I first hit the road in 2017, and then again in 2019 with the remodel. I'm now engaged to a man I met on the road. We have 2 big dogs, and we are fixing up an off-grid house on 5 acres in southern Colorado. So we've got a lot going on. A lot about my life has changed. So rather than just having Casper sit around, I figured this is the right time to find Casper a new home and someone who's going to appreciate the quality of this build, whether that's someone who's going to live in it full time or for weekend adventures. Casper is really great for either. So if you're interested in purchasing Casper, you can find out all the details and specs and my asking price in the description down below at my website, spintheGlobeProject.com. There's also a link on my Instagram, Spin the Globe Project, where you can find a lot more pictures of Casper as well. Yeah, I hope that I can find Casper the perfect new family, and maybe that's you.
When I wake up in the middle of the night and I feel wide awake 'cause I've got you on my mind, I go walking out in the streets with the stars above me 'cause I can't go back to sleep. Hey yo, walking in the night with the moon and the stars, they make me feel alright. Hey ho, walking in the night 'cause I can't get to sleep when I got you on my mind. See the dog that lives down the road, he's howling at the moon 'cause he's locked in his own home. I say, hey boy, how you doing? And he stops for a moment, wags his tail and keeps on grooving. Trees cast shadows from the moon up above, and I think that the moon and me might just fall in love. I don't know why I feel this way, but I got you on my mind, so everything's okay. Hey yo, walking in the night with the moon and the stars, they make me feel alright. Hey